I had zero intentions on making this video today. This wasn't even on my ideas list, for anytime soon. But I want to talk about the struggles of being a creative. This is something that not a lot of people talk about, and something that a lot of creatives deal with, and that's stress, anxiety, depression, doubting ourselves, whatever it might be. A major source to those struggles come from social media. Us as creatives, we share a lot of our work on social media, and that's whether, to share it with our friends or family, or even just to share it to get that little bit of exposure that might cause us to hopefully taking this creative dream into a career and living off of it, right? But we also run that risk of our content hitting a hater that is going to say something negative that might impact us and might cause us to second guess on even being a creative. Social media can definitely make things 100 times worse for us as a creative, and I know that there's a lot of people out there that don't have thick skin, right? And that let negative comments really get to them. I dealt with this kind of stuff when I first started making content. I know when I first started dropping content, I didn't want nobody to even know that I was making content. I lived with that fear for a while where I was scared of my coworkers figuring out that I was making videos, and guess what? One day it happened. They found out that I was making content, and all those fears that I had of people making fun of me, saying negative things about my work, for a while there, I actually let some of that stuff get to me. And I know that not only like as a creative, we deal with haters, but we also deal with how our content gets exposed, whether that's you uploading on YouTube, on Instagram, on Reels, whatever it might be. We're so focused on the numbers that when we know that our content is so good and it's so deserving of being exposed to a lot more people, and when we don't see that, we second guess ourselves hard, right? And we always fall into this mental trap of, man, maybe my work isn't good enough. Maybe I'm not deserving of doing this for a living, right? So how do we avoid falling into this mental trap? I know somebody once told me, the day you stop caring what other people have to think or say about you is the day that your life will be 100 times better. I have lived with that ever since. Anytime that I see any negative comment or just something regarding my work that's very negative, I simply ignore it. I don't let those people dictate the work that I create. I always create for myself. I don't create for those people. Those people that are always being very negative or dropping those comments on your videos or just saying negative things about your work, they are not in the right mental state, honestly, right? They're saying things because they want the attention, or they're not happy with themselves, or simply because they're jealous. Those same people that are sitting on the sidelines telling you how to do whatever you're doing are the same people that are not going to move forward, right? Those people are so busy and so concerned with what other people are doing, such as yourself, that they'll never have that chance to move forward unless they stop being the people that they're being. And that's being haters, that's being negative. So just focus on yourself and create for yourself. Stop caring what these other people have to say or think about you. You have that power to simply ignore it and not let that stuff affect you or control you. It sounds super easy to say, but I know that you're strong enough to do it. Don't let these people be stronger than you. And don't let their negative voice dictate where you're gonna go in life or in your creative journey. This was just a short video in hopes that maybe it hits, at least one person and has a positive impact on one person. If if that person is you and it helped you in any type of way, please do me a favor, guys. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys enjoyed this. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, everybody.